Welcome to the Daily Farming Cycle, where we explore the incredible journey of nature's most refreshing and aromatic industrial plants today. Today we witness the transformation of the humble mint plant into the icy, crystalline treasure known to the world as menthol. Our journey begins with selecting the perfect variety, specifically Mentha arvensis, the Asian mint, chosen for its incredibly high essential oil content. Unlike common garden mint, this specific variety is an industrial powerhouse, capable of producing menthol concentrations reaching up to 80%. Before a single seed is planted, the soil must be prepared with absolute precision to satisfy this demanding and sensitive crop. Mint is far more difficult to please than lemongrass, requiring light, porous soil that is rich in humus and drains instantly. Good drainage is not just an option but a necessity, as stagnant water is the greatest enemy of the mint root system. With the land prepared, farmers gently place the young cuttings into the earth, beginning a cycle of growth that requires constant vigilance. Water is provided frequently to keep the plants hydrated, but the volume is strictly controlled to avoid creating any waterlogged conditions. Under these ideal conditions, the plants thrive, expanding their green canopy and developing the complex chemical structures within their leaves. Daily inspections are crucial during this vegetative stage to ensure that the leaves remain healthy and free from any damaging pests. Days turn into weeks, and the farmers wait patiently for the specific biological markers that signal the plant is reaching maturity. Around 90 to 110 days after planting, a critical change occurs as the first flower buds appear. This flowering stage is the golden moment when the concentration of essential oil in the leaves hits its highest possible level. Timing is everything in mint farming, and the decision to harvest depends entirely on the weather forecast for the coming days. Harvesting must only take place on a perfectly sunny and dry day to ensure the highest quality of the raw material. Farmers strictly avoid harvesting after rain, as high moisture content degrades oil quality and leads to rapid rotting of the leaves. When the conditions are right, the harvest begins, with workers moving systematically to cut the mature plants from the field. They carefully cut the stems about 10 to 15 centimeters above the ground, a technique that allows the plant to regenerate. This strategic cutting height is vital for the next crop cycle, ensuring the roots remain strong for the future regrowth. The harvested mint is immediately loaded and transported, leaving the sunny fields behind to begin the critical stage of processing. Before extraction can begin, the fresh leaves undergo a necessary preparation step known as wilting on a large drying floor. Similar to eucalyptus processing, the mint leaves must be spread out in a cool, airy space to wither naturally. This wilting process aims to reduce the water content by approximately 20 to 30% without drying out the oil. By removing excess water, we make it much easier for the essential oil to escape during the upcoming thermal exposure. Experienced workers judge the readiness by touch, ensuring the leaves are limp but not crispy before moving to the stills. The material is now ready for the distillation unit, which uses high-grade stainless steel 304 to prevent any chemical reactions. Using stainless steel is crucial to maintain the purity of the fragrance and ensure the final product remains uncontaminated. Once the vessel is filled, the system is sealed tight, preparing for the introduction of hot steam into the chamber. Steam distillation begins as hot vapor is forced through the plant material, bursting the oil glands and carrying the essence. The process requires careful monitoring of temperature and pressure to extract the oil without burning the delicate aromatic compounds. Unlike woody plants, mint releases its treasure relatively quickly, with the distillation cycle typically lasting only 2 to 3 hours. The steam, now saturated with vaporized peppermint oil, travels through the system towards the condenser for the next critical phase. This mixture must be cooled down rapidly, as menthol is highly volatile and can easily escape if not trapped immediately. An efficient cooling system is absolutely essential here to ensure that every molecule of valuable menthol is successfully recovered. The vapor condenses back into liquid form, flowing out as a mixture of water and precious crude peppermint oil. In the separator, physics takes over. The lighter peppermint oil naturally rises to the top, floating above the heavier water. Technicians carefully drain the water away, isolating the crude peppermint oil, which is now ready for further refinement. This crude oil is potent and aromatic, but it still contains impurities and microscopic water particles that must be removed. A meticulous filtration process follows, stripping away any remaining debris or moisture to achieve a pure, high-quality essential oil. The result is a pristine liquid, but the most magical part of the process is yet to be revealed to us. If the concentration of menthol is sufficiently high, lowering the temperature triggers a spectacular physical change in the liquid oil. As the temperature descends, the oil begins to solidify, marking the start of the crystallization process that we seek. Watch closely as the first menthol crystals begin to emerge, appearing like delicate ice forming on a winter window pane. This is the most valuable moment, where the liquid essence transforms into solid, pure menthol crystals right before our eyes. The container is now filled with a dense network of crystals, a testament to the high quality of the original crop. To harvest these crystals, we use a separation method to drain away the remaining liquid oil from the solid mass. What remains are the pure menthol crystals, intensely aromatic, cooling, and widely used in medicine and cosmetic products worldwide. Quality control checks the structure and purity of these crystals, ensuring they meet the strict standards required for global export. The final crystals are carefully packed into sealed containers, ready to be shipped to manufacturers around the globe. From soothing cough drops to refreshing toothpaste, these crystals will soon become part of products used by millions every day. It is a remarkable journey that connects the soil, the sun, and human ingenuity to create something so pure and useful. The success of this process relies heavily on the dedication of the farmers who nurture these plants from the very beginning. From a simple green sprout in the earth to a complex crystalline structure, the life cycle of mint is truly a wonder. Nature provides the raw materials, but it is science and careful processing that unlock the full potential within each leaf. As the sun sets on the farm, the cycle continues, preparing for the next season of growth and harvest. Modern agriculture combines traditional farming wisdom with advanced extraction technology to deliver the highest quality natural products to the world. Maintenance and cleanliness are the unsung heroes of this industry, ensuring that every batch remains as pure as the last. The final product stands as a symbol of purity, a concentrated essence of nature ready to heal and refresh. Back in the fields, the rain that was once a threat to harvest now becomes a blessing for the regenerating roots. Life returns to the soil quickly, proving that sustainable farming practices can provide endless resources for generations to come. We hope this deep dive into the world of mint and menthol has given you a new appreciation for this plant. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating process, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have many more stories of agriculture and industry waiting for you, so stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. Agriculture is the foundation of our civilization, and understanding these cycles connects us deeper to the world around us. Thank you for watching the Daily Farming Cycle, and for joining us on this aromatic journey from soil to crystal. See you in the next video. where we will uncover another amazing secret of the agricultural world. Goodbye for now.